AUD CHF analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this pair AUD CHF and we'll do the analysis in a moment. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Why should you do that? Because the analysis which I'm giving you in my videos for free is actually costs a lot of money to to other people, because they have to enroll into some membership which will cost you like thousands of dollars, and then only somebody out there will sit in front of a computer and do these analysis which I'm giving you for free for now. Okay, I'm not sure for how long I will be doing this for free, but this is the beginning period and I'm just getting used to of making these videos. So I'll see for how long I can do these analysis for free on daily basis, because when you have to do these things on daily basis, there are so many pairs. Okay, there are like 7 USD pairs and then other pairs as well. So I'll see how far I can take this and for how long I can keep this for free. Okay, so it's your responsibility to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. That's the least you can do. And below the video, you will find the links. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, once you click on the link, you will be taken to this page where you can see all the proofs and videos and how this method works. This is mainly for those people who are not into manual trading. Okay, so for example, somebody don't want to learn manual trading and they don't have time and all that. They want to do something on automation. Then you can check out this first link. Second link says join my Telegram channel for free. So if you want some free signals every now and then, you can join my Telegram. And if you want to start trading or you're looking for a forex broker, then you can check out these links and sign up with these brokers. They're reliable. I'm using them. Okay, so check out these links, subscribe and like. It's your job to subscribe and like, because this analysis which you're getting for free is not available anywhere else, because everybody else will be asking you to join some membership and all that. Okay, so let's start the video with some disclaimers. Disclaimer number one is, I have to say that in every video. Well, disclaimer means that I'm not responsible for any of your profit and losses. This video is for educational purposes only. Second disclaimer is that I am not doing any short-term trading. For example, if you're a scalper doing 5 minutes, 15 minutes trading, I can't help you, but I can help you with a long-term analysis, and you can implement long-term trend to go into your short-term trading if you want to. Otherwise, we'll start with a top-down approach. Top-down approach starts with 3 time frames: weekly, daily, 4 hour. Weekly, you can see clearly here, weekly right now, AUD against CHF is clearly sell. So weekly is downtrend, daily is again downtrend, and 4 hour is also going towards downtrend. Okay, so yes, it is downtrend. So all 3 EMAs in AUD CHF are telling us that 4 hour is in the downtrend, weekly is in the downtrend, and weekly is in the downtrend, yes, and then daily is in the downtrend as well. So what we're gonna do, it's no rocket science. We're gonna enter only sell. Okay, so here was the this was the downtrend, then we had a pullback, then again down, then again pullback. Okay, so it did not create a new low. Remember here, this low had not been broken yet. Okay, so there will be 2 scenarios, 2 possibilities. Either this will continue up and will break this EMA, or there will be a new red candle which will eat this red candle. Okay, so we are going to enter sell only when there will be a new red candle which will close below this candle. Do you understand what I said? You are not going to enter sell just now. You're going to sell if in the daily chart, if this candle is eaten by a new red candle, then you will enter sell with 1:2 ratio. Okay, otherwise you will wait in daily chart for the EMA to be broken by the blue candle. I hope you got it. Even though the trend is sell, but the confirmation we have to wait for is to break this candle by another red candle. I hope you got the point, right? If this is something costs thousands of dollars when somebody else does it for you. Okay, I have done it for free. So like, subscribe, and yes, I think you know what to do. Subscribe is here, like I said, click on if you want to check out these links, join my Telegram, all that, and I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, take care.